today we're gonna be making
strawberry green tea! Without further ado, let's get started!
First, we're gonna make the green tea part.
Yes.
Okay.
So, let me cut this first. Okay.
Okay. Then we're just gonna put it inside this container. Around like half a bag. Okay, then we add hot water. Be careful, very hot. Wow, look at that, the color. Okay.
Alright.
And then we're just gonna mix it. This is no food coloring, by the way. Look at how green it is. Like
That's why we choose Chatramu green tea.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So let's pour this to the...
Let's pour it. Yeah. Okay.
Alright, so we are gonna use condensed milk to put in this container.
We'll use half of this.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna mix it together. Make sure you get at the bottom because it's at the bottom, yeah?
Yeah. Need to stir.
Okay, next, the part where we add the strawberry to the strawberry green tea. First, we need more milk to make it more creamier.
Yes.
Full cream milk.
So we're gonna put this
Here. And then just a little bit of milk. And last but not least, our
green tea. And it's free green tea.
Glow Go Pump Challenge.
And we're done! What I want to drink right now. I have strawberry green tea for you! Nah. Thank you. Welcome! Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Taste test. Yummy. Hi, my name is Narayazi Intimalozi. So today I will present about the material used. So the material are divided into two types, which is a direct material and indirect material. For the direct material, we use the full cream milk, creamer sweet milk, strawberry jam, and green tea powder. The price for full cream milk is 520 ringgits, creamer sweet milk is 182 ringgits, strawberry jam is 572 ringgits, and green tea powder is 702 ringgits. Each of these material can produce 2,600 products. The cost per unit is 20 cents for full cream milk, 7 cents for creamer sweet milk, and 22 cents for strawberry jam, and 27 cents for green tea powder. For the indirect material, we use PET PP cup with flat lid and plastic straw. The price of the PET PP cup with flat lid is 966, with a cost per unit of 36 cents. With the plastic straw cup is 26 ringgits, with a cost per unit of 1 cent. Both material can produce 2,600 products.
Now I will explain the budgeted overhead for our food truck business. Budgeted overhead refers to indirect costs incurred during business operation that cannot be directly traced to each unit produced. For our business, the monthly overhead costs include depreciation of kettle Rm 1 ringgit 91 cent, depreciation of freezer Rm 30 ringgit 50 cent, depreciation of water filter 10 ringgit 50 cent, food truck rental 1,500 ringgit, electricity Rm 25 ringgit, water jar 10 ringgit 83 cent. This give a total monthly overhead cost of 1,578 ringgit 74 cent. To allocate overhead costs fairly to each product, we calculate the overhead absorption rate, or what we call is OHA. OHA is total budgeted overhead equal divide to total unit produced. Substituting our figures, RM 1,578 ringgit 74 cent divide to 2,600 units equal to RM 0.61 cent per unit. This means every cup of strawberry green tea absorbs approximately RM 0.61 cent of overhead costs. By calculating overhead accurately, we can determine the true cost of production and set appropriate selling prices to achieve profitability. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Fatima Ifa, and today I will be presenting the basic wages or labor section of our food truck business, BUT, which specializes in strawberry green tea. So, labor cost is an important component in determining the total production cost of our product. For our business, we have divided labor into two categories, which is sales workers and production workers. So first and foremost, we have sales workers, which is Aiman Amshah and Nur Ain Izani. So both of these workers are paid using a piecework wage system, which means their wages depend on the number of units produced and sold. The wage rate is 70 cents per unit. So based on our monthly production target, which is 2,600 units, the wage calculation for each worker is 70 cents times by 2,600 units, which equals to 1,820 ringgit per month. So next we have our production team, which consists of Ani Sofia and Nur Fatima Ifa. So both workers are paid using an hourly wage rate of 9 ringgit an hour. So they work 8 hours per day for 26 working days per month. Therefore, monthly wage calculation for each production worker is 8 hours times by 26 days times by 9 ringgit, which equals to 1,872 ringgit per month. To summarize, our sales workers, Muhammad Aiman Amshah and Nur Ain Izani, get paid 1,000 ringgit, 820 ringgit per month, whilst our production workers, Ani Sofia and Nur Fatima Ifa, get paid 1,000 ringgit, 1,872 ringgit per month. So the result total in monthly labor cost is 7,384 ringgit. These labor costs ensure that our business operations, from beverage preparation to customer service, runs efficiently whilst also maintaining product quality and customer satisfaction. That's all from me.
Next, I will present our cost statement for beauty. Our food truck received a corporate order for 1,000 cup of strawberry green tea, so we prepared a cost statement to estimate the total production cost before deciding the selling price. First, the direct materials. The direct materials cost is 760 ringgit. This consists of green tea powder is 200, full cream which 70 ringgit. The strawberry jam is 220 ringgit. Creamer's wheat milk 270 ringgit. These are the main ingredients that are directly used to prepare every cup of our beverage. Next is direct labor. The total direct labor cost is 2,900 ringgit. This includes wages for two sales staff and 2 production workers. The sales workers are paid based on piecework, while the production workers are paid based on hourly wages. When we add the direct material and direct labor together, we get the prime cost, which is 3,660 ringgit. After that, we include the production overhead. The production overhead using OHR method is 610 ringgit. Besides that, we also include other production costs such as food truck rental, electricity, equipment depreciation, giving a total production cost of 2,235.70 cents. Lastly, we add the non-production overhead, which is our marketing expenses of 330 ringgit. After adding all these costs together, the total cost for producing 1,000 cup is 5,925 ringgit and 78 cents. Next is our profit, markup, and budgeted cost statement. First, we calculate the cost per unit by dividing the total cost of 5,925 ringgit 78 cents by 1,000 units, approximately, which give us approximately 5 ringgit and 93 cents per cup. Then we apply a 50% profit markup, which is 2 ringgit and 97 per cup, 97 cent per cup. After adding the profit to the unit cost, with the estimate selling price becomes 8 ringgit and 90 cents. For easy pricing and payment, we round it up to 9 ringgit per cup. Next is our budgeted cost statement. The total of direct material cost is 760 ringgit and the total of direct labor cost is 2,900, giving us a prime cost of 3,660 ringgit. After adding the production overhead of 2,235 ringgit 78 cents, our total budgeted production cost become 5,000 ringgit and 5,895 ringgit 78 cents. So based on all the cost calculation and our 50% profit markup, we decided to sell our strawberry green tea at 9 ringgit per cup. This price allows us to cover all the production costs while still earning a reasonable profit and remaining competitive in the market. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye!